Hi friends, welcome to the channel Gil Lyrics. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Take 5 by Shiva on Milano Angels, producers by Nice, GTB, Adam 11 and Fishmoy. The song released on 28 August 2024. Once again I say welcome back if a new viewer or an old viewer. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Link of my website gillyrics.com. Shiva's stage name of Andrea Arrigoni is an Italian rapper originally from Corsica. About his stage name in a 2017 interview, the rapper said it was mainly a stylistic choice. I lived in Tuscany for 50 years, where I had the opportunity to get to know the works of a local writer who was called exactly that. He was not very strong, but they tagged his name everywhere. If you walk around Florence, you can realize how many of his signatures still appear on the walls. It happened that one morning you would wake up to go to school and find the writing Shiva on the roof of a five-star hotel. It was done very badly by the way, but in this way he became the idol of us kids. In the and I met him at the skate park when he had already changed his life and name. The character Shiva was left vacant, and I decided to adopt it as I was starting to approach freestyle competitions at that time and had to choose a strong name. I liked the impact Shiva had. It was stylish. I don't know if it showed me the way, but as I grew up, its mystical side went hand in hand with my music. I in 2015 he won the one shoot game contest promoted by Honiro. At the beginning of 2017, on 1st October 2018, he released Santana, his first track as an independent following his exit from Oniro. The subsequent singles Come On, Redder and Goy made him gain popularity in the scene so much so that he earned a place in 2019 both in Make It Mixtape Fourth and in Metony Denied Skinny in the same year, in collaboration with Emir Skilla, he published the song Manje, his first release for Sony Music. He later created his own Offset publishes work through it and relying on Sony only for distribution. In October 2023, he was arrested on charges of attempted murder, illegal possessions of a firearm, and dangerous explosions in relation to events that had occurred the previous July. Amritveer Singh, better known by his stage name Finis, is an Italian producer and loop maker. He has been working with the likes of super producers Cash Money, App Smash, David Foreign, Tech Poster, Exclusive, and more. Since being signed, he has huge placements on the way with holds from Anali Chupa, Bad Bunny, Polo G, Nicki Minaj, Tega, Anita, and Ross, along with a slew of Italian artists including Safera, Besta, Shiva, and Mabel Losco. I hope you will enjoy this video. If you do like this video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice time. Goodbye.